there are other winners. If you are older, a saver, a generous pensionist, you may actually not be any worse off at all. For the rest of us, the question when is this going to get better? I'm afraid to say, economists say it may take a couple of years.
bottle of Listerine for this as well.
Is that a new series?
I've just
I've seen it though.
Well, new series?
I don't know.
Not even